Hello, good morning. This is Lea Perez, founder of TFI Powerline Group. And our topic for today, what are the benefits of joining Wealth Compass? Wealth Compass is a system that will teach or guide our new distributor through techniques and skills of doing the business. Our goal here is to develop leadership within you and your group by using the Wealth Compass system. Every school, bago ka makapag-aral, you need to enroll first. There is no school without enrollment. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1, evaluation. If you want to start a good company, you must have a good hiring system. Siyempre, pagpapasok ka sa trabaho, may requirements at may interview. Pag hindi mo pinagbuti, di ka nila tatanggapin. One regrets of John Maxwell, an author of many leadership books, saying, expecting great leaders but they are not. Nagubos ka ng time, nagubos ka ng pera, nagubos ka ng effort, expect mo na gagawin nila ang business, pero sa huli, akala mo ay agila, yung pala ay parot. Bad trip, di ba? Keyword, desire. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desire brings weak result. Just as a small amount of fire makes a small amount of heat, by Napoleon Hill. Pero, we could not prejudge everybody regarding on their background. So how would you qualify your new distributor? Of course, through action and result. So in the end, it's either you make result or you make excuses. Kaya ang lahat ng bagay dito sa Wealth Compass nakasalalay sa iyo. An army of sheep led by lion is much better than an army of lions led by a sheep, by Alexander the Great. Number 2, branding. Ferrari, Lacoste, Louis Vuitton, or Apple. Isa sa mga malalaking kumpanya na tinatangkilik ng tao ayon sa kanilang magagandang produkto at serbisyo. Bagaman sa AIM Global meron tayong recognition, nag-silver, nag-gold, or nag-GA, pero wala namang alam, or nag-millionaire circle, pero hindi na nasundan. Kaya dito sa Wealth Compass ay para ka nag-enroll sa mga malalaking university at ang mga teacher mo ay ang mga top distributors of Alliance in Motion Global. And in Wealth Compass, makakaakyat ka lang sa ranking through knowledge, skills, and result. Kaya pag nakita nila na Wealth Compass graduate ka, aba, power yan. Number 3, goals. Maraming networker pagsali, humahataw agad. Kaya mas nauuna pang mag-quit bago matutunan lahat. At may sumasali rin naman dito na may goals, pero walang blueprint or proper planning na ma-hit ang goal nila. You cannot hit your big goals without proper planning. So Wealth Compass will guide you through small, mid-term, towards your big goal. Like a building, doon muna tayo magtatayo ng foundation na needed mong knowledge and skills, then small, calculated goals. Then mid-term and your big or dream goals. Halimbawa, short goals. Kumita ka ng few thousand here in AIM Global. Remember, the journey to 1,000 miles is a single step. Mid-term goals. Kumita ka ng 24,000 a day income. And then, long-term or ultimate goal. Different kinds of goal. Happiness, success, good relationship, income, incentives, or travel, or marami pang iba. It's like doing a game. A game is a multi-million-dollar industry na mag-start ka sa madali, then sa kagustuhan mo makita yung finish, you will start the challenge, bagaman minsan, may game over, but you will start again. With much better knowledge and polished skill, you will still play the game level by level and finish the game. Number 4, specified training. Specified training. Kindergarten, banatan mo ba naman ng algebra at calculus? Di ba hindi pwede? Dapat doon muna tayo sa madali like addition or 1 plus 1. Kaya dito sa Wealth Compass, meron tayong specified trainings for you. Number 5, incentives. Doon sa mga mabibilis makatapos na mga requirements, level by level, meron tayong matatanggap na group incentives through our EA group. Like Hino Razon said, sa school, 15 years o 19 years ka nag-aral, certificate lang na nakuha mo. Dito, as you study and hit your goals, kumikita ka pa. Number 6, monitoring. To monitor who is committed and not committed through offline, online, hardware, and software. Number 7, support. From Eagle Alliance leaders, prime movers, pillars, personal leaders, you will have support from online and offline. Number 8, recognition. Your hard work will be recognized through big graduation gatherings. As you embark on a journey to novice, apprentice, master, Grandmaster, and Legend. Remember, big groups are still coming, and one of the top distributor of AIM Global could be you and your generals. Success is a journey, not a destination, by John Maxwell. And I hope magsama-sama tayo pagbutihan at i-challenge lahat ng mga pagsubok dito sa Wealth Compass. Maraming salamat po sa time at abangan nyo ang susunod na video sa susunod na araw. Maraming salamat po. Power!